So we are back at this ensign today, and I don't know, it's about the end of the day really, and I've managed to finish sanding the rest of the deck, non-skid, and all the repairs on the flat surfaces. And what else? I took this part, actually came stock this way. It's a little bit weird, but I had to cut this lump. This piece of wood made a lump in the deck, which made the wood high. So I don't know, whatever, I took these pieces out and trimmed that. Managed to tear these pieces. We're going to be replacing the bulkheads and the bunks with Nitacore, which is like a PVC coring, like a honeycomb PVC coring with glass on the outsides. Show you that when we get to it, but these are the pieces I ripped out on the floor here. So we use those to trace the new Nitacore. So these other ones aren't coming out so great or so easily, so I'm gonna, I think, continue tomorrow with a Sawzall or whatever it takes at that point. Just kind of take a break from that. Start cleaning up. A lot of debris everywhere. I stabbed myself in the elbow a couple times with nails. What else have we got going on here? I don't know. I took a break from that and started hand sanding all the stuff that I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna start from the transom here and work my way back. There's still a lot of crap after sanding. It's got to be sanded off with all the toe rails and all the edges and that kind of thing. I just did all here and around this fitting. Every little nook and cranny's got some sanding essentially to do. Then we can move to primer, which we hooked up, and get this thing sprayed, get the deck sprayed. Guess what we've decided to do is a white base, and then we're going to do all of the non-skid with this lighter, or well, darker gray. What is this? Pegasus gray, which was a little bit left over from another job. A buddy of the customers that painted his boat before this one came in this spot. So I don't know, whatever, they made a deal. They've got a couple of things left over. So we're going to use that for the non-skid. There's about 1.5 quart of that left, which is 50/50. Give us about 3 quarts sprayable. Should do it. So we're going to add the grit to the epoxy and do this whole thing over and just completely do away with the original textured molded non-skid. So I guess that's all that we have as far as an update is concerned for today. Yeah, I think that's it. So I'll post up another video tomorrow, have a lot more done, and I'm hoping to get up a tripod and just some other things I can actually hang my my phone up and any other cameras I might have, so I can actually get some real footage of me doing the actual work. It's kind of a pain in the ass with this cell phone to do that. So in any case, there it is for today. Thanks again for tuning in.